Namaste, seekers of truth and light. Welcome back to AI Baba Bolta Hai, your daily spiritual compass powered by astrology, history, and divine wisdom. Today is Sunday, September 7th, 2025, a day blessed by cosmic shifts, lessons from history, and opportunities for inner growth. Let's uncover what the stars and the universe hold for you today. Today's planetary lineup places Mercury in a powerful trine with Jupiter, bringing clarity of thought and deep conversations. The moon's transition into Virgo enhances analytical abilities, a perfect day to make plans or set things in order. The sun in Leo continues to radiate confidence, encouraging bold decisions. The divine message for today: balance your mind before your actions, for clarity is your true power. September 7th holds powerful lessons from history. In 1921, the first Miss America pageant was held, symbolizing a global shift in beauty and culture. In 1940, the Blitz on London began, teaching us resilience in times of darkness. In 1965, Indo-Pak War escalated, showing us the importance of unity. And in 2020, the world saw rapid advancements in AI, which continues to transform our lives. India is blessed with visionaries born on this day. E. Sridharan, India's Metro Man, who revolutionized public transport. M.S. Subbulakshmi, legendary Carnatic singer whose voice still resonates in every temple. These souls remind us, greatness is born from discipline, vision, and service. The energy of courage is strong today, inspired by warriors who walked before us, from Chhatrapati Shivaji's lineage of valor to India's forgotten freedom fighters. Today's cosmic vibration reminds us to rise and protect what we love. And now, the moment you wait for. Top 3 lucky Rashis of September 7th, whilst Virgo. Clarity brings breakthroughs today. 2. Leo, confidence opens new doors. 3. Sagittarius, a day of unexpected blessings. These signs: stay bold and step into your destiny. But caution is wisdom too. Cancer, watch your health. Taurus, avoid overthinking finances. Pisces, focus on grounding yourself. From the heavens to the earth. Today, northern India sees light rains, southern states enjoy clear skies, and western India braces for humid conditions. Farmers are advised to prepare for mild showers in parts of Punjab and UP. Did you know? September 7th is known as the Day of Spiritual Awakening Energy in numerology, linked to the number 7's mystical power. On this day, in 2008, India's Chandrayaan-1 moved one step closer to making history on the moon. The universe whispers today, in stillness lies your strength, in wisdom lies your freedom. Take time to pause, reflect, and recharge. Every action today will ripple into your future. This was your September 7th forecast with AI Baba, guiding you daily with stars, stories, and spiritual insight. If this resonated, like, share, and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for more cosmic clarity.